Hello, my friends. Well, this is the video you're about to watch. I forgot to take you in for a close-up, and I think it's worth a closer look. Got some wonderful little confetti-like cells. I just think it's a very happy painting. It's so colorful. And I like the movement of it. I like the hard edges versus the blown out areas. If you watch the whole video, you'll see that I was unhappy with this one section over here. I wanted it to touch the edge and it wasn't. I tried tilting, it just wouldn't move. So I took the straw and blew it out just enough to reach the edge there, and I'm much more pleased with it now. This is the orientation I like, and here's a closer look at it. Very fun. We need bright colors in our world right now. Okay, well, there you go. And now let's get to the creation. Hello, my friends. I'm experimenting. One of my favorite things to do with these Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paints. Rather than using them straight, I've mixed them with a pouring medium of Floetrol and Glue. 5 parts Floetrol, 3 parts glue. And then I mix that 1-to-1 with the paints to, try in the hopes of having them stretch a little further. And it's interesting. The consistency is very much like it is out of the bottle. I think it's because of the addition of the glue gives it, I'm diluting it, but not in consistency so much, if that makes sense. So I'm going to do a blowout. It's not quite a Dutch pour, but I am using a hairdryer. That's about where the similarity ends. So here we go. I'm just going to do kind of a Y shape thing. I don't have a lot of purple. I just thought I'd use it up. I'll do something a little different. I want to have a little more solid color as well as the mix, if that makes sense. Hopefully it will pan out. You'll see what I mean when I blow it out. I don't know, I'm not even making sense to myself. I don't know that my narration here is of any use whatsoever. Yeah, why not? Okay, and now I have added a little bit of silicone to some white. This white does not have any silicone, but this does. So I'm going to pour that right over the colors, but not those puddles that I did. In fact, no, I think I'll start like that. Okay, let's see what kind of a mess I can make here. On high and cool. All right, well, I kind of got the effect I wanted. I wanted this lacy white portions, but I also wanted some more vivid color without the white overlay. But I did not expect to end up with that. I don't mind it, actually, because I have some hard edges over here. I like hard edges in my work. I'm going to tilt it a bit and see if I can't be more pleased with the composition a little bit. But I love these little round cell shapes. I wonder if I hit it with a torch, what'll happen. I don't expect or want big ones, but there is more paint underneath there, more color under some areas of that white. Okay, that's sufficient. Okay. I like this side. I like how it's going over the edges. This is bothering me. I'm going to see if I can't scooch this away. And it may change the appearance of that section, which would be okay. Wow, it's barely moving. It's moving very slow. Wow, everything but that edge is moving. So change of plans, coming down this way. Let's try again. I really would like to reach the edge here. Just that one little section I'd be happy with. But it's dangerous to sacrifice the rest of it just to correct one little section. I'll try a little bit more and then I'm going to stop. I rather like it the way it is. So colorful. It's just not moving. It is not moving. And I like the rest of it enough that I want to leave it alone. Let me turn it different orientations. Reminds me of a lot of things. I think I prefer this. I'm going to turn it around. This would be the bottom. That would be the bottom there. It's very colorful. I like that. And very few colors. Phthalo blue, warm yellow, bright red, and violet, and white, of course. Yeah, I rather like it. Sorry, my narration was really bad this time. I just have something else on my mind, and I'm thinking too many things at once. So, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.